Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome back to Enoven Foods. Today I am making a crispy, flaky and delicious chicken kachori, perfect for iftar or tea time snacks. Let's get started. First, in a bowl, take 1 cup of flour, add half teaspoon of black cumin, half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix well until it turns crumbly. Always rub ghee into the flour properly before adding water. This helps create the flaky, crispy texture. Now add 1/3 cup of water gradually and knead to form a soft dough. Want to make your kachori extra crispy? The trick is using the right amount of ghee in the dough. It gives the perfect flakiness. Rub some ghee over the dough, cover and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are preparing the chicken filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and 1 teaspoon of green chili. Saute for 20 to 30 seconds until soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of chicken keema. Mix well. Now add half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked and all the flavors are absorbed. In some places, kachori is served with aloo sabji or chutney, but today we are making a crispy version with a delicious chicken filling. Now take some dough and roll it into a thin sheet. Brush a little ghee and spread it evenly over the dough. Now fold the dough, roll it again and repeat the process to create flaky layers. If you are enjoying this crispy recipe, hit the like button and subscribe for more tasty snacks. Place some chicken mixture in the center. Fold and cover the filling completely. Then seal the edges tightly. Seal the edges well or the kachoris might open up while frying. What's your favorite kachori filling? Chicken, lentils or spicy potato? Let me know in the comments. Now heat oil on medium heat and gently place the kachori in the pan. Fry until it turns crispy and golden brown on both sides. Always fry in medium hot oil. If the oil is too hot, the kachoris will turn brown quickly but remain raw inside. You can also bake these kachoris at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes if you want a healthier version. Do you prefer deep fried or baked kachoris? Tell me your choice below. Our crispy chicken kachori is ready. Just look at these flaky golden layers. So crunchy and delicious. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or ketchup. I hope you love this easy recipe. Try it at home and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more tasty recipes. See you in the next video.